Welcome back to our channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you live your best life. Today, we have an exciting topic that will change the way you think about money. We're going to discuss how to make your money work for you. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive deep into this transformative journey. Before we begin, please subscribe and like this video, and if you stay until the end, we have a free gift for you. So, let's begin. Let's take a moment to reflect on what financial freedom means to you. Is it the ability to retire early, travel the world, pursue your passions without worrying about money? By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to unlock the incredible potential of your finances and make your money work for you. So, let's get started. The first step is to plant the seed of financial knowledge. Educating yourself about personal finance is essential. There are numerous resources available, such as books, podcasts, and online courses. Start by understanding concepts like budgeting, debt management, investing, and compound interest. By empowering yourself with knowledge, you'll be equipped to make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. Now that you've laid the foundation of financial knowledge, it's time to set clear financial goals. Goals act as a guiding force, giving your financial journey purpose and direction. Grab your pen and paper and write down your goals. Remember to make them smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, starting your own business, or creating an emergency fund, setting goals will help you stay focused and motivated. With your goals in place, let's talk about the importance of saving. Saving money is the fuel that powers your financial engine. Analyze your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Start by brewing your own coffee, packing your lunch, and canceling unnecessary subscriptions. Every dollar you save brings you one step closer to financial independence. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself but making conscious choices that align with your goals. Building an emergency fund is a crucial step on your financial journey. Life is unpredictable, and having a safety net will prevent you from falling into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. This fund will provide you with peace of mind and stability during challenging times. Now, let's talk about investing, the key to making your money work for you. Investing is like planting seeds that grow into fruitful trees. However, it's essential to approach investing with knowledge and caution. Diversify your investments to minimize risk. Consider options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and even starting your own business. If you're new to investing, seek advice from a financial advisor or use reputable online platforms to get started. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools is compound interest. It's a phenomenon that can transform your finances over time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Take advantage of retirement accounts, such as 401k or IRAs, which offer tax advantages and compound interest. Remember, consistency is key. Invest regularly and allow compound interest to work its magic. Now, let's think beyond borders. Globalization has made it easier than ever to invest internationally. Explore opportunities beyond your home country and diversify your portfolio globally. By embracing the global market, you not only spread your risk but also capitalize on different market trends and growth opportunities. Congratulations, you're well on your way to making your money work for you. Remember, this is a journey that requires patience, discipline, and perseverance. Along the way, stay committed to your financial goals, adapt to market changes, and continue expanding your financial knowledge. By doing so, you will achieve true financial freedom and unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for joining us today on this transformative journey towards financial empowerment. Remember, your money has the potential to change your life. Embrace the power of making your money work for you, and together, let's create a future filled with abundance and opportunities. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and remember to like and subscribe. Click on the link in the description and download your free gift. Until next time, keep striving for financial greatness.